I warned you! You wouldn't listen. You are proving stubborn. A fly that is stubborn will follow cops to the grave. A child that is not of age and start looking for what kills his father. What kills his father will kill him.
Menuko, what do you think you are doing? What will you gain by spilling an innocent blood?
Stay out of this. This is a family matter. And you are not invited.
And as the father of this land, I order you to drop that gun and set him free.
Not even the gods of our land will prevent me from killing him. Not to talk of you mortals! Mortals! Ah! Igwe!
Uzo! Uzo! Uzoma!
Amara.
Uzoma.
You're awake. Are you okay?
Where are you rushing to?
I'm going back to the stream.
No. No, brother. I thought we discussed about this yesterday and you told me that you are not going there.
Amara, I need to go back. You know we need money. I need to make up the money now.
I had a very terrible dream last night. Besides, it's already daylight and if anyone sees, you know the implication.
No. Don't worry, okay? Nothing will happen. It's just a mere dream, okay? Let me just go back before daylight so that I can... We need this money, eh? We need to make up for this whole thing. I can't stay here without doing anything. Please, let me rush to the stream now, okay? Before people start coming out. You know what we stand to lose if we don't make up the money.
Please be very careful. Brother, I don't wish to lose you. Please be very careful.
You will not lose me. You will not lose me. Don't worry, oh? Don't worry, just pray for me, okay?
I do. If you hear any sound, just head. You should not see.
I will be fine, okay? Let me rush.
Let me go. Hey.
Your Highness, your baby is in a good condition. Just take the herbs as I instructed.
Did you hear that?
Yes, my friend.
Let the mace massage your legs. I will take my leave, your queen. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you. And get me water.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings.
Ekema.
Your Highness.
Are you done?
Yes, Your Highness.
Oh, please tell me. How is my wife and the unborn baby doing?
Yes, Your Highness, they are doing greatly well. Very soon, she will deliver.
Oh, I thank the gods. Finally, I am going to carry my own child, the fruit of my own loin. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Highness. The gods, their ways and ours is quite different.
You're right.
I'll take my leave.
Oh,
Your Highness.
may the gods go with you.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Oh, thank you, my father.
Ola always does this. She likes to keep us waiting.
Let's just wait for a while, eh? She will soon come.
I'm sure it's NDBC that is keeping her.
How do you know?
You want us to have an agreement?
Yes.
If you win, I owe you a favor. If I win, you owe me a favor. We agree on the gods of our land.
It's a...
How do we convince your father to give us his blessings? Huh? You know, I can't live without you.
I know, but see, don't worry. I will look for a way to convince my father to give us his blessing.
So how
Don't worry. Butsu, just calm one down. I'll talk to my father. You know I'm his only daughter. He will listen to me. I know what this thing is doing. It's just...
I want to come and pay your bride price so that we'll live together.
I know. Don't worry. I'll talk to my father.
Once you come back from the stream, I'll go to wine you.
Maka, you promised to take me to wine.
Is this why you are fetching water? Have I not warned you about this boy? And you wouldn't listen.
Greetings, Iche.
Hold your greetings to yourself. I've told you to stay away from my daughter, but you wouldn't listen. The next time I will see you with my daughter, you will never live to tell the story.
Hey!
Shut up. Now, take the pot, go to the stream. Hey, come back. Is that your heart? Go. If you called, you will come back and meet me at home.
Omuma Saromo Ugebwe wine Okuro Kalisia.
Your Majesty, greetings, Your Highness.
Drop it on the table.
Greetings. Okuro Kalisia, dear. Wunyo, ma'am, you're not looking bright. I know you. You're like the sunshine. What is bothering you?
Why don't you want to listen to the voice of the innocent?
Oh, Lord, you don't bring this up again. If I couldn't, nada no. You know there is nothing you ask of me that I cannot do for you. But you see this one? What you're asking for is very, very difficult.
My lord, you are the king. Are you no longer the father of this great kingdom? You are the king. You can do whatever that pleases you. If you don't know how, why not call the chief priest and then the chair? Consult them and hear their own opinion about this. Please, Your Highness.
Beautiful maidens of our land. Greetings.
Greetings.
Amaka, I greeted both of you.
Of what use is your greeting? Eh? Or you want to use this as an opportunity to talk to me?
Amaka.
It will not work.
You know what I feel for you is real and it's genuine.
Hey, Biko. It's too early for nonsense talk. Just be going.
I sincerely love you. I love you.
Stop calling my name! I said go! What is it? Ha!
Alright. I'll take my leave.
Better. Bye-bye.
I feel like this sometimes. You say, why are you like this? He just loves you.
What love? With a common tongue crier. Because I don't want any love. You should eat his love. It's too early for this nonsense though.
Hey! Nemo! Hey!
I'm sorry.
Why did you keep us here? Eh? But I just said I'm sorry now. Eh? I'm sorry. It's just that I was having a good time with my man, Ndubisi.
Eh? Did you hear her? So you kept us here waiting while we were doing rubbish with Ndubisi?
Hold it. Ogini. All the time you're getting angry. I believe you were begging. Please don't call my relationship with Ndubisi rubbish. Don't call it. Or do I smell jealousy?
Jealousy, Moa. Jealous of what?
All and nobody is against your relationship. But do not keep us waiting while you're doing what pleases you with your man. I don't like it.
Calm down. Butu. Butu, I'm sorry.
I don't blame you. I blame myself for waiting for you.
It's okay. Sorry. Butu. I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry before you two eat me raw. Sorry.
I want the agreement. You owe me a favor.
I know. Let's go.
What's going on here? Let me understand something. Wait, you two had an agreement on my head? Then why are you getting angry now?
Shut up!
Hey!
Let's go!
Wait for me now! You people blame together and you are still getting.
This is not a good sign at all. Cause of our land, please protect us.
Odimnobi.
My lord.
Marriage makana unyem. Chori rachube. Onlianke doli. Our tradition has been in existence even before we come on earth, and therefore remains sacrosanct.
But it was made by people.
You are right. But under the directives of the gods, is strong and can never be biased.
It's our tradition. Omenana anyị ga-edebe ya. We are supposed to love each other, be there for one another. Agini na-eme.
Biao, Ola, how did Ndubisi know that you were going to the stream before waiting for you?
Amaka, how will you be asking such a question? Ndubisi is my man. He is supposed to know every of my move. Or don't you think? Do you know what? That is not even my problem. My problem is my father. He doesn't give his consent. He doesn't want to see me and Ndubisi together.
And you're still with him?
But I love him. I love him so much. Ndubisi is everything I want in a man. See, I'll look for a way. I'll look for a way to convince my father so he will give us his blessings.
Oh, love wanting to. Because let's go.
Go, Joe, Amaka. All the time, somebody will be saying something that is important. You'll be saying something else.
It's important to you.
I love him, oh. My father must give his consent, whether he likes it or not. The water is so warm. And when you finish fetching your own water, please help me and fetch my own, oh?
Why?
Can't you go there, man? I want to ease myself. I'm coming.
Are you sure you want to ease yourself or you hit another man?
Will everything be about a man? Anyways, I'm in love with just one man, and his name is Ndubisi. So he is the only person that have access to my body. Alright? You can you go to Mama and Nabia?
The best from this side with this. Oh.
If you touch me, Amaka.
Don't shout.
Don't
shout, please. I'll do anything for you. Please.
Who's Oma? Okay, the kinema. What are you doing in this water?
Just passing.
Who's Oma? Otanku stream. You are fishing in Akwazu. Hey! Hello,
Nico, don't shout, please.
Amaka, leave me alone. Leave me now.
Please don't shout.
So you don't know it's an abomination? Go fish in this stream.
Is that not Ola's voice?
Ola. Yes, it is Ola.
Ola! Thank the gods you're here. Okay. Ngwanu. Amaka. Ndidi. See what is happening here. Abomination. Hello.
Please, help me beg her.
You are finished.
Don't tell anybody.
You are gone.
Please.
Uzoma, what have you done?
No.
No.
Please. I am the only child of my parents. Please.
It's not only child.
Amara.
No, who is Amara to you?
Hey.
Don't even give me that look. Don't look at me like that. Don't even look at me like that. As though you did not know that it is an abomination to fish in this stream. You see this matter? The Igbo must hear you.
Hey!
Ola, please. Don't even holler me. Let me tell you, as I'm living here now, I'm going to report you. Oh yes, the Igwe and the elders in council. Haga no makia. If you look in Kegi,
Ola, please now.
Ola, please.
Ola, please.
Please.
Amaka.
Ola.
Hi.
Please, why?
Please help me beg them.
Why did you do this? You know it's an abomination to fish in Otanku stream.
I know.
You know what you do? You have to leave village now. You have to leave now, immediately.
Now?
Yes, immediately. I'll get across information to you at Ozara River, yes. Ozara River, just leave now, please.
Help me beg them,
Don't
please.
worry, I don't know what I'll go and beg them so they don't report you.
Hi.
Just leave now, please. Just leave. Ola! Wait. What am I waiting for? What is it? Please say whatever you want to say. This is very heavy. Ola, please. Don't report him, please. I should not report who? You don't want me to report him? No, I'm asking you, Ndidi. You don't want me to report him because he's your love. Okwe? Let me even ask you, Ndidi. So you want to tell me that Uzoma is not aware that it is an abomination to fish in your Tangu stream? Is that what you want to tell me? You want to tell me that he does not know that the punishment for anybody that fishes in this stream is death? Is that what you want to tell me? Behind his seats, go to lose a pork and laugh. What do you want me to say? Ola, please! Amaka! Ola, please!
I hope it is going to contain the structures.
Yes, it will. Good. And the land is in good position.
That's good. Just make sure everything is going to be perfect. I don't want mistakes though.
No. And the land is in good position. Good. Just see it properly so that there won't be any mistake. Please, there won't be any mistake. The structures will be there properly and everything will be working according to plan.
Uncle, good afternoon. So it doesn't look like I don't have manners. But what is going on here?
You little thing. Why are you asking me such question? Besides, what do you think that is going on here?
Uncle, I know my father, my late father, used this land as a collateral to collect money from you. So please, kindly wait until the deadline you both agreed to exceed before encroaching on this land.
What is she saying?
Please, don't pay attention to that letter. Let's continue what we're saying.
Uncle, stop calling me little Tino. You are not the one that gave birth to me. You are just my father's brother. Stop calling me little Tim. Amechi, let me tell you something. I don't know the business the both of you are having regarding this land, but I'm wanting you to back out. Don't say I did not warn you. Back out now! Back out now!
Don't listen to the little thing.
Uncle, do your worst!
You have grown. You have grown.
You have done enough.
Good. Good.
Oh, what is it now? Eh? What is it? Why are you shouting my name as if you were dead the day my parents named you? Ogilin? Please. I'm still begging, please. Please don't report to Zoma. Amaka says something, you've been quiet. What do you want me to say? We had an agreement. Remember you owe me a favor. We swore on the gods of our land. What favor? Bikokwa.
He knows it is a sacrilege and he went there to fish in Otanku stream. Eh? Why did he go there?
Oh.
Yet he went there.
Oh. Tell her.
I'm not just begging because he's my love. Remember, he's the only son. Do you want his lineage to be wiped out? There must be a reason.
Why didn't he think about that before going to fish there? He would have thought about that before going to fish in that stream.
Oh.
Okay, name your prize.
You want me to name my prize? There's no problem. Tell your love, Uzoma. Tell him to will his father's land to me. Yememwe. Or Yememwe. I guess the answer is no. He will not do that.
Ne, Amaka, Anam, you like stay here. My own is your lover should break up with you and come to me. Oh?
Our tradition, we must follow.
Amara! Amara! Dead. Where could she be now? Amara! Hey!
That little thing has the gut to insult you. That little thing. No, you saw what happened there. You were there. It was not the right thing to do.
Calm down, please.
Why are you telling me calm down? Please. That little girl has the gut to insult me, Omenoko.
Please, don't take her to heart. She's just a kid. Please, calm down. She's just a kid. Okay? I'll be following this direction.
It's alright.
Please, let me know when you're ready.
No problem.
Yeah, thank you.
We'll see you later, eh?
Father! Father, please wait! Father, wait! I have an information for you. Father. Hey. Father, I have an information that will gladden your heart.
If the information is good, I'll take it. But why can't you wait till we get back home? Remember you did something in the morning.
Father, it's about Uzoma.
What about him?
Father, I'll tell you, but you have to promise me that whatever thing I ask of you, you do it for me.
If the information is good, I'll do whatever you ask of me.
Father, you promise? Father, I saw Uzoma at Otangu stream fishing. I saw him not quite long.
Are you sure of what you just said?
Father, I am very sure. Everything I just said now, I'm very sure. Amaka and Ndidi, they were there. They saw it with their eyes. Father, as a matter of fact, he left his fishing net and the fishes, he ran away. The evidence is there. Father, you can go and check it for yourself.
Are you sure?
Father, I'm very sure you can go and see it for yourself.
Okay. I'm going straight to Igwe to report to the Igwe what actually happened. But what is that your heart desire?
Father, there is only one man that gladdens my heart. There is only one man in this village that my heart yearns for, and I want you to give your consent with my relationship with Ndubizi.
Okay. Permission granted.
Father, thank you so much, Father. I'm so happy. Thank you.
You're now happy, eh?
Yes, Father. Papa, are we going home?
You're now happy.
Father, I'm very happy.
Amara.
Go. We have to leave. We have to leave.
Leave to where? Leave me. Where are we going to? Why you? What are you doing with my bag in a rush?
Don't worry. Let us go. I've packed your bags. Okay.
Why? Where are we going to?
Hi. I am doomed. Ola caught me at Otanku stream fishing. You know what that means? If she tells her father, I am dead. We are dead.
But I told you not to go. What are we going to do?
What did you mean you told me? Do you expect me to fold my hands and allow them take the only piece of land that our father gave to us? No.
Now that we are in trouble, is the man saved?
There is no need of portioning blames. Now let us leave here. Let's go.
Where are we going to?
Going to our maternal home. Anywhere safe. Let's go first, please.
No, brother. Do you want to go slow between the two villages?
Hey! Let us go before they come here. Let's go first, please.
You pack everything.
Wait. Give me your hands.
I don't want to die. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Okaka, a toad does not run in the afternoon for nothing. If it's either something is after it, or if it's after something.
You are right, Igwe. There is something bothering me which I want us to look into.
Okay, I'm all ears.
Igwe, I want you to look into some of our laws and tradition so that they can have a review.
Okaka, were you paid by the law to come speak this to me?
Igwe, I have not set my eyes on Lolo for long. Especially the one death punishment attached to the offenders. All this should be looked into.
Igwe, I just got a reliable information right now that an abomination has been committed in our land.
What abomination?
Uzoma, the son of late Okeke, was caught in Otangu stream fishing.
What? Uzoma, your late brother's son?
Did your informer know the gravity of this accusation?
Yes, Igwe.
And he or she will be ready to defend it?
Yes, there are many witnesses who saw him.
Hi. Otika! Your Highness! Otika! Igwe! Go immediately to the hut of late Mazokeke and fetch me his son, Uzoma.
At once, Your Highness.
Come. Always make sure you come for checkups. Your time of delivery is getting closer. Make sure you take the herbs as I instructed you. Okay. You'll be fine. You'll be fine very, very soon.
Greetings, Mama Nena.
Greetings.
Okay, it's alright. Bye-bye.
This way. Hey, will you stop! Hey! Boo! Please. I didn't. Hey! I'm innocent. Hey! Will you shut up?
Ndidi, did you engage in any fight? Because you are not looking bright.
Mama, Agogo, the sound that summons the Ichis of our land when there's an emergency.
What are you talking about?
So all I did report Uzoma after all my pleading.
This is the Agogo that summons the elders. I hope everything is okay at the palace. I hope there is no trouble. Because this Agogo is not empty. Let me rush to the palace and see what is going on.
Greetings, Lolo.
Come, why am I hearing the sound of the drum of Undichi?
Lolo, a report came that Uzoma was seen fishing in the stream, Otanku stream.
What? You can go.
Yes, Lolo.
But don't go far, okay? Really? Oh.
Uzoma, Igwe, tell us, Did you by any chance fish at the Otango stream?
Igwe, I was only trying to raise money to pay my uncle. He claimed that my late father was owing him. He was threatening me. I had to do it.
May the gods strike you dead if you call my name again. Did I ever ask you to go to the Otango stream to fish? Is that the question Igwe asked you? Can you allow him to finish talking before attacking him? Again, allow him to talk. I am not attacking him. I want him to correct what he just said. Somebody committed an abomination and is diverting our attention. Enough, elders. A man's heart cannot be on fire and is chasing rats. The question is, Uzoma, did you fish at Otango stream or not? Why are we still asking questions there when there are witnesses everywhere? There are witnesses. Can you allow him to speak? Allow him to speak. Witnesses. Stop intimidating the boy. I'm not intimidating him.
You are now stammering. Answer the question.
Enough, elders.
Omenoko.
Igwe.
Okaka.
Igwe.
Let this be the final time. Two of you will banter words before me. Have I made myself clear?
Igwe.
Uzoma.
Igwe.
We are waiting.
Igwe, Biko. Tamper justice with mercy. Please, Biko. Biko. Please.
Anyways. Otika.
Your Highness.
Take him to the dungeon. He will remain there until we decide.
Yes, Your Highness.
Hey! Igwe Bikonu! Igwe Bikonu! Hey! Igwe! Igwe Bikonu! Biko!
Igwe, you will live long. You will live very long. Our age-old tradition cannot be changed.
Oh, no. Yemerigo. Onyemben.
I am happy when I remember.
You are not far from the truth. Igwe, this is our tradition.
This just means one thing. And that is good news. So tell me, what is it?
How do you know there's a good news?
I know you very well. So don't go there. So tell me, what is it?
Okay. Guess.
You know I'm not good at guessing. Just tell me, what is it?
My father has finally given us his blessings!
You're joking. Wait, you mean your father agreed for both of us to marry? Wait, how did you do it?
Undum, I told you I will make it happen. I'm my father's only daughter. He doesn't have a choice. He has to do whatever thing I want him to do. I told you.
In that case, all your father's farmland, I'll clear it. For free. And I will take you to one inch's place. I will go and spoil you there.
For the past 4 market days, that's what you've been telling me. You take me to 1 inch.
This time around it will be different. You know what? Go to your father's house. I'll come there and meet you. So that both of us will go to 1 inch's place.
Better come, oh. You had better come, oh.
I will.
You had better come, oh. Come, oh. I'm not playing with you.
I'm on my oh, hello, Kwebu. I can't have one avatar.
Igwe and my fellow elders, I want us to look carefully into this matter. Like I have told Igwe earlier, let us look into the punishment attached to the offenders of our tradition. So we can amend it. Amend what? Sometimes I wonder how you got to be a member of this council. Because you speak nonsense. Omenuko, watch your tongue. Mind your choice of words.
Is it because I'm sitting here with you? Tradition, I made my mortars. And can also be unmade by mortars. To the direction with the gods.
Really?
Our age-old tradition will not be amended.
Oh, Nyano. In the tradition.
Enough, elders.
You show some respect to this, our Igwe.
Anyways, my elders,
Igwe,
Ede, Anarege no Funta Miri. Therefore, we will sleep over this matter. Ezemo, consult with the gods. Let us see if they will tell us something about this. Have I made myself clear? And Otika, keep an eye on Ozama.
Igwe, sleeping over this matter, I don't see it necessary. This is our age-long tradition. Oka, aparapa bisike eje kwekwania.
Ezemo.
Igwe.
Ezemo. Ezemo. If not because of the sacred position you hold in this kingdom, I will deal with you. Unless this be the first and last time you will dare say a word after I have ruled over a matter. Have I made myself clear? I have spoken, and so shall it be.
Pray to the gods to show your brother mercy. And that is all.
Thank you, Chi.
It's all right. Till tomorrow. That's it. Oh?
Thank you.
Manonye jikwe na tradition Mebu nwanne ya Do not hide under tradition.
What do you think of it? What is wrong with you, Menoko? And why are you blocking my path?
So it has gotten to the point you asking me what is wrong with me.
You are blocking my path because I speak the truth. Is it not?
Let me warn you. Whenever we are in cabinet meeting, mind your business. Else I will show you the other side of me.
If you point that finger to me again, I will bite you. I will tell you why they call me your kaka. How dare you warn me? Omenuko, are you out of your mind?
Don't say I did not warn you. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Do I look like a coward to you? Tell me! Or is it because of your white beards? White beards is not by power. I'm tinye. So rap godoku.
Let me warn you. Make sure your intention on Amara is not evil. If it is, you know me.
I'll cripple you. I'll cripple you. Or what if you hear me? Nothing will happen.
Say my boy. Our all know is by grace. It's not by power.
Good.
Good. You say it is by grace. Do you have it?
It's not by power. Remove your intention on how.
Hey! Why would Zoma do such a thing?
There is no way Ola will not tell her father. And once her father hears this, it's the end for Uzoma. Because Ola's father has been looking for a way to take a piece of land Uzoma's father left for him. As if he does not have a hand in Uzoma's father's death.
Shut your mouth. If anybody hears you. Uzoma knows it's against our tradition.
Mama, any tradition that causes pain to his people, such tradition should be abolished. We should not be enslaved by our own tradition.
Mind what you say before people hear you. Don't put us in trouble.
Ndidi! Uzoma was arrested by the palace guard because he was caught fishing at his stream.
I knew Ola would definitely tell her father. Oh, I'm gonna stay here. I'll be right back.
Didi, wait! Tell me what happened. What did he do? How did it happen?
Ola, I'm talking to you. What is your problem now? Eh? Why are you shouting my leg like a mad person? You're the one that is mad. Your family and your entire generation. It's again. Wait, did you just insult me and my family? Ndidi, why are you insulting me and my family now? You are happy now, right? You are happy. What do you mean by you're happy now, right? Let me even ask you. Is it not better for one person to die than endangering the lives of the whole villagers? Is it not?
I swear, you're going to regret this.
Oh, so because he's your love. No, because he's your love, that's why you're opening your mouth and you're saying all those tracks. So let me tell you, you're better go to the Igbo's palace, yeah? Yes, as a matter of fact, you're one of the witnesses, so you're better go there and say what you know. If you dare mention my name, you will see the other side of me. No. Am I scared of you? See, it is very obvious to me that you're mad. Eh? You're very, very mad because I don't even have time for mad people.
I am mad, right? I am mad.
I'm mad.
I will shoot it. No, let me show her what the mad person can do. I am mad. I will show you what the mad person can do.
You see this fight that you just started? I promise you, I'll help you see the end of it. Imad, you don't know me. I bet you if anything happens to Uzoma, I'll be your worst nightmare for the rest of your life. Why, sir? Say it again! Because you are fair and you are going for a Kukuyadi. Stupid girl! Nonsense! But Ola, you were too fast forwarded. You shouldn't have reported to your father. Who is talking? No, talk again. Just watch your back. Watch your back. Try me now. No, come on, I talk. Ewu odepe. Frog holding. Rubbish.
Where did you go? And what have you done?
I gave Ola my peace of mind. If anything should happen to Uzo, I swear it's a word against mine.
Didi, you should take it easy. Tread with caution. You see, we all are pained. We should pray to the gods that they have mercy on you.
I have had you in there. Amara, you will stay with us here. It's safer. Have you eaten?
I don't have appetite to eat. Is this how I'm going to be alone in this wicked world? My father's lineage is about to be wiped out. How do you expect me to eat? Knowing fully well that I'm my uncle's next target. Did they tell me? So lonely. Ow!
You're not alone. Listen to me. I know I am a woman, But I'm going to fight until the last drop of my blood to help you out. Okay? You're not alone. I know.
Manonye jikwe na tradition Mebu nwanne ya Do not hide under tradition and do evil. You should love one another. No hating, no hating. Ifunanya dima.
What do you say I should do for you about Ndubisi?
Nam, I just want you to bless my relationship with Ndubisi.
Is that all?
Yes, Nam.
Permission granted. Blessing granted.
Hey, Nam. Thank you so much, Nam. Thank you.
That's my daughter.
Hey, Nam, I'll be inside. Thank you.
Ifunanya mo oye dim no be so that to me Si foginanya sinona no bimo I got my rapugi yeah rapuga paraga muena lavugi desie mikeo kangarida I am Bulobi. Love again at them, re. Love again, boom, kamaya. Love again at them, re. Love again, boom, kamaya. I am Bulobi.
Hi. It's weak. Obim.
What would I have done without you?
Let's see, Obim. As far as I'm alive, whatever concerns you, concerns me too.
Do you know Emenike asked Mama to give him 3 bags of cowries just to clear this farmland?
3 what? 3 bags of cowries for just this small land? It is too much, my love. It is too much. See, my love, I told you, I would do anything to be of help to you.
Thank you, Obim. I brought you water.
You know, I've been thirsty.
Obim. Easy.
I've been thirsty.
I know.
Thank you so much.
You don't have to thank me.
I hope you're satisfied.
Very, 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 very. Mama will be so happy.
I am happy too. Mama.
May the gods of Allah bless you.
You say.
You shall live to see your children.
You say. Mama, where are you going to?
I want to go and see Wanyeke. I will soon be back.
Okay. Be careful.
Exactly.
Let's go.
Okay. Are you sure you don't need help? Let me help you.
Go. It's not heavy.
Oh.
I got my rapugi. Love will get baragamuena. Love will get you the same o kamgarida. Oh, yembudobi. Love again at them, re, love again boom, kamaya. Love again at them, re, love again boom, kamaya. Onyembu nobi, onyembu nobi. Obimo, Oyambunobi, oh yeah, I love you.
You sent for me, did you?
Yes. Utika, please, allow me to see Uzoma. I want to give him food.
What are you asking me to do?
Utika, please. I know you can do it, please.
Ndidi, this your request is difficult. It's very difficult.
Okay, Utika, wait. Please, just give him food, please.
It's okay, but you have to be fast. Okay?
Okay.
Come with me.
My lord, isn't there any other punishment you can give to Uzo? Aside hanging him, sentencing him to death. My lord, if you kill Uzo, you are shutting down a lineage. And it is not good that they will say that it was in your reign that lineage was shut down.
Oh, let that be said. Whosoever decided to fetch an ant-infested firewood should be ready to welcome the lizards.
But should the tradition punish the people instead of protecting them? Please have a rethink about this.
It's our tradition. Omena nani gedebea. We are supposed to love each other, be there for one another.
Obim, how did you get here?
Uzom, don't worry about it. I brought you food. I brought you food to eat, Obim.
I don't have appetite. I don't.
Obim, please, try and eat so you will have strength. Please, try and eat and I will come later in the night.
Later in the night?
Yes.
That would be so risky.
I know. I will find my way here. I want you to plant your seed in me. We don't know what your fate will be tomorrow. Plant your seed in me, and I pray to God, make it to be a male child, so your lineage will not be wiped out. Not that I'm sounding negative, but I've tried to get you out of this place, and I don't know what else to do. Just eat your food so you have enough strength. Just plant your seed in me, so your lineage lives.
Now, I am fulfilled. I am ready to take whatever is the sentence against me tomorrow. I am ready. Thank you. Thank you, my love.
You don't have to thank me. Just try and eat, okay?
Enough of the discussion. Enough! Before someone sees us here. Let's go.
I love you.
This way.
Wait a little, please. I love you so much. Please take good care of my sister.
She's my mother's hut. She's safe in my mother's hut.
Okay. Go. Hey! Chie welo tutu chie.
Manonye jikwe na tradition Mebu wande ya Do not hide under tradition and do evil. You should love one another. No hating, no hating.
Che, you sent for me. What for, Che?
To say thank you.
All of this?
Yes.
Thank you. I take my leave.
Manonye jikwe na tradition Mebu wande ya Do not hide under tradition and do evil. You should love one another. No hating, no hating. If unanya dima.
What are they up to? Ichie call out Kanayo. It means something is fishing. And he's even dashed me money. He still dashed me money. I need to find out. Both of them are definitely up to something. I have to find out. I want you to eliminate Uzoma for me, so that by tomorrow morning it will seem as if the gods have punished him.
Ichiomenoko, it will not be easy.
I will make it easy for you. And what is the price?
And who invited you here?
Are you sure you can? So that you will not jeopardize this mission? All my life, I've been looking for a way to enrich myself. And I believe this is a perfect opportunity to make that happen.
Very well then. If you can achieve this, I'll give each of you a bag of cowries and a plot of land also. Yes.
Do you mean that?
I will do it.
A plot of land? My friend, finally,
I will become a landowner in this village. It is done.
Ichiomenoko, say no more. Consider it done.
Yes.
Really? Yes. I give you my words.
My friend. My friend. Finally.
Do not hide under tradition and do evil.
Amara, you're still like this. It's alright, I understand perfectly. You have to be strong so you don't fall ill. Where is Mama?
She went out.
I went to see Uzoma. She said I should greet you.
Thank you.
It's fine. I said I'll help you. It's okay. Let's go inside.
I was coming to your hut. Yes.
What happened? What are you coming to do in my father's hut? Hope I'm safe. Because you and Ndidi have automatically turned me to an evil person.
But you know what you did was an act of wickedness.
Shut up your mouth. Just close your mouth. Just hold it there. Don't make me start with you. Was that what you were coming to my father's hut to tell me? No, I'm asking you, was that what you were coming to my father's hut to tell me?
Bikokwa, you people should count me out. I do not want to stand as a witness to anything. Because it is so obvious that you and your father has a motive behind this. Yes.
Ezioku. Amaka, you will not come. There is no problem. Don't come, oh! Let tomorrow come. Don't stay in your father's hut. Don't come out, oh. There is no problem. Don't come.
It is very wicked.
Amaka, you know what, sir? Mbabiana, come. Tell you are coming to my father's house. Come. No, don't come tomorrow. Abiana, don't come.
Do not hide under tradition and do evil. You should love one another. No hating, no hating. If unanya dima, my mayor for my.
Greetings, Mama.
Greetings. Why? You said you did what you did to get money in order to pay your uncle to retrieve your father's land.
Yes, Lord.
So why didn't you do something else? Why didn't you look for another job? Why did you have to break the tradition of your own people?
I am sorry for what I did, Lolo. But I've been to the palace for so many times. But your guard, Kanayo, refuses me entrance to the palace. I had no other option. Moreover, my uncle will not allow anyone to give me job.
Sorry. Okay, I will tell her. I'll tell the guard to put her on you. So nothing happens to you. And they will bring you food.
Thank you. Thank you, Lord.
Just be calm, okay? Tell Otika to take care of him. and let nothing happen to him.
Yes, Lolo. Fools! Even if it cost me my job, I have to save him. Yes. My friend, Kanayo,
Dada,
I brought us this drink to Mary as we wait till nightfall. And I'm so glad that I can't wait to be a landowner.
Dada,
my friend,
I hope you know what you are getting yourself into. Because it sure means because business is a continuous one.
my friend, there's nothing new under the head. I can't wait to be the newest landowner in the village. Drink with me, my friend. Drink with me.
If you say so, who am I to reject the drink?
Drink with me. This is so nice. You like it?
Oh. This is good. Wow.
Let's proceed.
Omenuko, what is your problem? Why are you this mean and wicked? Wicked and heartless! Omenuko, what is your problem? All because of land that was there way before you were born. that will still be there when you are gone. That you are insisting that a small boy should die. What will be your gain? What will be your gain, Omenuko, if that boy loses his life? Tell me.
Okaka. Okaka. You are crossing my path again.
Do you have a path?
You are crossing my path.
Do you have a path?
What do you mean by the fact that I'm insisting on letting him die? Igwe, the elders, you have kept quiet and allowed this Iche vomit nonsense from his mouth. Okaka, our age-long tradition has been there. Nobody forced Uzo to go to the stream.
But Uzo's case is different.
How is Uzo's case different? You are daring me, Okaka.
And who are you?
Enough!
Who are you?
Enough, elders. Don't we have respect for our throne? Okay. Eh? I'm sorry, Igwe. I'm sorry, elders. But oh no, that question should be directed to Okaka here.
How?
Okaka, you should mind the choice of your language.
Igwe, I am not trying to disrespect anyone. But I'm just letting us know before we take our decision. Yes, it is our tradition. But we have to look into it. Think about it. Uzo is the only son. Igwe, a lineage is about to wipe out. Can you find no back?
Okaka. Igwe. Mind what you are saying. Our tradition is sacrosanct. Our tradition is a respecter of nobody. Therefore, as the custodian of the culture and tradition of Omo,
Igwe is about to deliver.
Hmm? Huh? Please, run. Run to Ekema, the midwife. Fetch her immediately. Go as fast as your legs can carry you.
And where are you sneaking to?
Nne. Nne. I want to go to the palace to witness the fate of Uzo.
I understand. But remember, we have a delivery to attend to. Besides, I know you. Before you go there and say what you are not asked of and enter into trouble, we should focus on one. Eh?
Nne, please.
Ndidi, go inside.
Please, Nne, what about Amara?
I have not seen her, but I guess she went to the palace.
Nne, please, let me go and stay with her, please.
Ndidi, go inside.
Greetings, Nne.
You're welcome. Take it easy. Get me a mat. You go and get me a mat. Don't worry, my baby is fine.
Greetings, Nna.
Greetings, Royal Guard. But what do I owe this visit?
The king sends for you now.
Okay, I am coming.
No. Please, what about Uzo? Has the king decided on his fate yet?
Not yet.
Ndidi, please look after her. I am coming. Nne, I am coming, eh? Let's go.
Ekema, there is no light in your face. Tell me, how is the queen doing?
Igwe, the queen gave birth to a baby boy.
May the gods of our land be blessed. Oh no! We now have an heir to the throne. Yes. Oh no! Oh no!
Igwe.
Oh no!
Igwe.
Oh no!
Igwe. Again.
Ekema, why the tears? You should be happy, rejoicing with the royal family, because Umweluama now have an heir to the throne. Of course. Right.
Igwe. She died after giving birth.
Hey! A-na-ekwu ọzọ ọzọ a na-eme.
Hey! The eyes of the gods.
Igwe! You are not supposed to go in there and see her corpse.
You see why I ask us to change or to amend the tradition? Kaitiari ofo.
Help me, oh, help me, help me, help me.
Sorry, it's not the same.
No.
Why is she there?
Help me. Help me.
No, what does she have?
A baby boy.
Thanks to the gods. The gods have finally answered the Igwe's prayer. There will be lots of celebration at the palace. I wish the Igwe would just free Uzo with the joy of having an heir to the throne.
The Igwe has not gotten an heir to his throne yet.
Nne, how do you mean?
Nne, I hope the queen did not die.
She is dead.
What about the baby? Is the baby also dead?
The baby is as good as dead.
How do you mean? I don't understand.
It is an abomination when a woman dies after childbirth. The baby will be seen as evil.
Now, what will now be the fate of this baby?
The baby will be cast to the evil forest to die. But if the father refuses, he will be sent out of the village.
Hey! 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 What kind of tradition is this? Hey!
No. No.
Hey!
No. No. Obimo. Why? Why do you have to leave me unannounced? Why? Oh. God of my ancestors, have I failed you in any way? Have I not been faithful to you? What wrong have I done to deserve this? Have I wronged you in any way? Since I ascended this throne, I've tried my best to follow the dictates of our traditions, the footsteps of my ancestors, the footsteps of my forebearers. Why? Why? Call my wife back to me. I don't want to lose her. No! I don't want to lose her. I will do anything. Yes, anything humanly possible to bring her back. Bring her back to me. Why do you have to leave me unannounced? Hey, I will do anything, everything humanly possible to see her alive. My ancestors, please, I am paid. I am paid. I am paid.
So what can you do? Are you going to allow them take our son to the evil forest?
This tradition remains sacrosanct.
It has been there before your forefathers. Is it not there before your forefathers? Is your forefathers dead before the tradition?
Elders.
Even when your forefathers left, the tradition still remains.
And it has to be.
Must somebody die before you?
It's not about death. It's about killing the tradition.
Omenuko, Omenana, Mechionu.
Have people not been dying?
Mechionu.
Mechionu, Kaka.
You are crossing my path.
I will not leave you.
Do you have a part?
Elders,
I'll
please.
give you Okwabashi.
Hey, elders, please. All this noise making cannot bring up the cause. Somebody is dead. Let us know what to do. What is the next solution? What Okaka is saying, there's sense in it. Let us look into it.
I wonder.
Please. Let us look into what Okaka said.
Omenuko, Omenana.
Igwe, I quite understand your grief. But do not let that to weigh you down. My father once told me that during the time of your forefathers, your father lost his wife. That is why the laws were implemented by then. But as you can see now, we need to abolish these laws because it's affecting us. Please, I want you to look into this, Igwe. My candid opinion. Igwe, you may leave.
It's an abomination for a woman to die during childbirth. And that child must be taken to the evil forest.
Says who?
Igwe. I am Igwe,
Egbe a na-agba anyanwụ. Unu ma nọ nsị egbe ka a na-ana n'iyi. I hereby declare that no one touches my son Ikemefuna. I name him Ikemefuna.
Igwe. I never said so, Igwe. But the gods are wise. They have their reasons.
The eye of the gods.
Igwe.
What do you suggest?
Igwe, let's finish Uzoma's case. Then we can deliberate on this.
Omenuko.
Igwe.
I forbid you from saying further word until this meeting is over.
Igwe.
That serves you right. Are you eye of the gods? Eh?
Okaka! Igwe, this meeting is over. Go. We will reconvene in the evening.
Igwe.
Ezemo. Wait behind.
You will see. You will see.
I will punish you.
What happened that caused you people not to have delivered?
Sure, Menuko, I don't know how it happened. That I slept off. But I promise I will deliver as soon as I have the space.
Yes, we are so sorry. We'll pay you this time. But tonight, we will get it done. And we will not fail you again.
Please, listen to me. You people have to do everything within your power to make sure that he dies this night before decision is taken.
Consider it done, Ishio Menuko.
I don't want failures anymore.
Do not hide under tradition and do evil. You should love one another.
Dada. Yes.
What is it that you want to tell me that can't wait? The Igwe needs me by his side.
This is very urgent. I'm sorry to disturb you. I believe Kanayo and Ichie Omenuko, they are up to something.
Something like what?
Yes. I believe they are trying to eliminate Uzoma even before the judgment. Yes.
Dada, how do you know about this?
I overheard their conversation. Yes. I know what Uzoma did is wrong against our tradition. But it deserves a fair hearing from the gods and our king. These people are trying to get him killed even before he has his judgment. Please, I need you to do something about this. Uzoma has been very good to me. And if this is the only thing I can do to save his life, please, I need you to help me, please. I need you, please.
Dada.
Yes.
Alert me as soon as Kanayo comes back. Okay?
I will do that.
I will do something.
Please. Please.
No problem. Go.
Please, please, you have to save him.
I will.
Please.
I will. It's okay.
Oh, I now understand what she said.
Wait for me here.
Greetings, Lolo.
Greetings. When am I due for delivery?
I hope everything fine, Lolo. Any moment from now, you will deliver your child.
Is there any helps I can take that will help me deliver right now? Immediately.
There is help for it. But If I may ask, my Lolo, why do you ask?
I want you to get me the herbs and deliver it directly to me.
Lolo.
Nobody must hear about this. Have a nice day.
Nne, you've been absent-minded since you came back from the palace.
Ndidi, I am fine. I am only thinking about the queen's death.
Nne, I understand. Who knows our fate now?
I just hope the Igwe makes the right decision.
Greetings, woman.
Greetings, palace guard.
You are summoned by the Igwe.
I summoned by the Igwe. I hope all is well.
Well, I am not in the position to answer that. Let's go.
Nne, I'll come with you.
No. Rather go and check on Amara and see if she is in their hut. Okay? I am coming.
Let's go.
Onye bụ na nwanne ya maka akụnụba nke ụwa. Whatever you sow, you must surely reap. Love your neighbor as yourself. Man ụfọdụ na-enye nsi. Whatever you do today, be careful. One good turn deserves another. Aye, unku onye paru n'ọkọchị, n'echekwa ya n'udu mmiri o.
Ewo, asọkwa na Don't you want to injure me?
Sorry, to run you. I'll cover you.
It's okay. Let's go.
I want to draw that big one for you.
Oh, let's go. My father will soon be back. Let's go. Where is the second one now?
It's up there now. Let me pick it.
Let's go.
Wait, and let me plug it for you now.
It's okay now. We've been here since it's only one. So fucking waking with Alum.
See, but you know, I am so happy. I can't believe that this day will come. That both of us will be walking freely in the village without your father saying, hey, do not follow this. Do not do this. Your father will do this like this.
My father you're talking about though.
You see what I always tell you? That there is nothing that is impossible under the sun.
I told you. And I also said that there is nothing I want to do that my father will not allow. See, I'm my father's only daughter.
That is why it is always good to remain positive. Hey, Mom.
My daughter. Greetings, Ichie.
Please, don't call me Ichie. Call me Nam.
Hey, Nam. Did he later do it? Is it done? Summer dead?
No, very soon. Very soon he will die. Very soon he will die.
Hey, Makagini is one.
Don't worry, they're working.
Okay.
Take very good care of my daughter.
I will do it.
We'll see at home. Yes.
Alright, Nam. Okay. Ijoma. Nam, why you
Your father said I should call him now. You know what? Come on, let me carry you.
I told
Let me
you.
carry you. Enter.
I told you I will make it
Enter.
happen.
Enter, I'll carry you.
Hey!
What is
Do now? Leave me, I'll walk with my legs. Let's go.
I want to carry you now. You know. I want to treat you like a queen.
1 inch.
Well, let's go.
1 inch. Okay, why?
Why are you blocking me, Otika?
You have been relieved of your duties. Surrender your sword and your shield now.
On whose order and why, if I may ask?
I am not answerable to you. Surrender your sword and your shield and go home. When the time comes, you'll be called upon. Now! Drop it! Go home. Move it!
Manonye jikwe na tradition Mebu nwanne ya Do not hide under tradition and do evil. You should love one another. No hating, no hating.
They will hear and show us kindness. She didn't come home.
I came to pray to my chief, our forefathers, to pour my heart to them and ask them if they will allow our lineage to be wiped out just like that.
They will not allow that happen to us. I went to see Uzoma last night for him to plant his seed in me. In case anything goes wrong. Not that I sound negative.
Didi, may the cause of our land favor you.
Say,
this is true love. Thank you so much.
Now, let's go back to my hut and be hopeful. Let's go.
Love again atom, re 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 re. Love again boom, kamaya. Love again atom, re re re.
Igwe, should I proceed? For you know that the gods of the four market deities can never be invoked if not for a special occasion.
I am the chief custodian of the culture and traditions of this kingdom. I will stand on the gap. I am ready to face the consequences, and I hereby command you to invoke them.
Eke Orie Afọ Nkwo Kada ni ife ma bana we suo ya nri. The four market deities that guides the four corners of our land. I summon you. Rise! Rise! Arise! The four market gods are here. Again. Nkwo Orie Afọ. Why do you summon me?
The spirit of the land. The spirit of my ancestors. The reason why we exist. Your children are before you. Because we want to make changes in the laws that govern this kingdom. And we cannot do that without your permission. That is why we are here.
Yes! We need 2 herds. A male and a female herd. Because the queen sacrificed herself for this. We are yet to receive the male herd so that you can make the changes that you seek.
The spirit that governs this land. My ancestors. I stand in the gap. I, Igwe Ebana Wanyanwu Nkembo of this kingdom, hereby make an oath that I, Igwe Ebana Wanyanwu Nkembo of this kingdom, will present myself to complete that cycle. My wonderful wife offered herself. I will equally offer myself to appease the land, to make the changes we seek. But my ancestors, the greatest spirit, I need to make a request of you. I beg you to grant me life to live until the day Ikemefuna, my son, will come of age, and I will present him as an heir to my throne. That day, you can take me. That day, I will be ready to journey to the great beyond. That day, I will be ready to meet my ancestors. This I seek of thee, my ancestors, the great spirit of the great 4 market deities.
Granted!
It is done. Elders of Eluema Kingdom. Today, we will make a change in this kingdom. But before I proceed, Madu, tell us What did you find beside my late wife's corpse?
This, Igwe.
And what is that?
This is a cup of poison. Which means the queen's death was not ordinary.
Ekema,
Igwe.
tell us all you know that happened to my wife, because it's very obvious to all of us here that the queen was held before childbirth.
Igwe, see my hand, see my legs. I have no hand or know what happened to the queen.
Nobody says you have a hand in what happened. Say what you know.
Come closer. There's something I need to tell you. I don't want any other person to hear it. Not even the king. Unless you are called, summoned by the king to speak, then you will speak the truth.
No. Please don't scare me.
Don't be scared. I need to do this. If they decide to throw my child in the evil forest, I want you to go there and pick my child. Guide my child. I have to do this. I have to do it for the society, for this kingdom to correct the ills against the innocent. I must do it.
Lolo, please don't hurt yourself.
What did I get?
Lolo, it's a boy.
A boy?
Yes.
Take care of my son.
Huh? I femin. We all heard what Ekema said. It is unfortunate. It is unfortunate that the queen of this land has to die the way she did. The queen died fighting for the right cause. We all know that the late queen was a good woman. The late queen fought for a good cause. It is quite unfortunate and regrettable that I never listened to her. I'm sorry. I am sorry, my queen. I am sorry. Okoro Okarisiam, continue to rest in peace. My people, I consulted the Ezemo here. I asked him to invoke the spirits of the land because I wanted to know what it will cost this kingdom to abolish some of the laws already in place that are detrimental to equal right and justice, and replace them with good ones. And in my quest, the gods told me that for that to be possible, Eluama kingdom have to sacrifice 2 human heads. A male and a female. And my queen, my wife, Okuro Kalisiam, the wonderful queen of the Luama kingdom, has sacrificed herself. She died for this cause. And today,
Be careful.
today, I, Igwe, Ewana Banyan, Nsegbe Kanana ni, made a vow before you, the elders of the land, before you, the eye of the gods, and before the gods governing the moon and the sun, before the gods governing the rivers, the gods governing the wind, the gods of Eke, the gods of Oria, the gods of Afo, and the gods of Nkwo. With my blood, I complete the cycle. I make a vow today to appease the spirits of the land, for this change to be made effective. Today, I declare no more death penalty in Umueluama kingdom. I decree also that anybody that will raise resistance to these changes will pay with his or her own blood. I have spoken, and so shall it be. Uzoma, get up. You are a free man.
Hey! Igwe, thank you.
Igwe, Dalo. Henceforth, go and possess your father's land. You no longer owe Ichie Omenoko a dime. I, Igwe Ebana Abanyanwu, will pay your debt. Igwe! And Ichie Omenoko, desist from troubling Uzoma and his sister.
Thank you.
My elders, so shall it be. In Eke, so shall it be. In Oria, so shall it be. In Afo, and so shall it be. Enumpo.
Ise. Igwe.
My people.
Igwe.
A day shall come. A day I will personally appoint. That day will be set apart. On that day, we will make merry to celebrate the sacrifice made by the queen of Umueluama Kingdom. And that same day, we will celebrate her journey to the great beyond.
Sound the drum of Igbaohanese!
My sister.
Ngozi.
I was actually coming to your house so that we'll go to the stream together.
I don't have strength to go to the stream today.
Okay. Oh, it's so bad.
Ne, is that not the sound of Igbaohanese? The drum of celebration and good news?
Ebu, what is Yoku?
Who
knows the good news and the celebration that has come to our land?
Who knows?
Hey!
You better hurry so you can meet us. Let's go to the palace to know what is going on there. Who knows what good news the king has brought for us, the people of Eleoma. Why are you smiling?
I'm smiling because I can't wait for the dancing competition that the drum of Igbaohanese has brought to us. Hey! Who knows? I might get my own man. Hey!
Who knows? I might get my own man. As if you can dance. Don't hurry up. Hurry up!
Sorry. Your leg.
Namu, you don't look bright the moment you got back. What is it that troubles the lion himself?
Igwe has used his veto power to free Uzoma. He warned me that I should never step my feet on that land again. That if I do, then there will be punishment for me. But when the chiefs are down, we shall know who is the lion in the kingdom.
Nam, I know what you're capable of doing. I want you to take things very easy. As for that land will definitely become yours. Omelunizu, Omenonwa. One thing must happen, Father. And I will advise that you send someone to eliminate Uzodinma immediately.
It may not be immediately. Because if I eliminate him now, all fingers will be pointing at me. I'll wait until everything has died down. Then I will tell him that I'm the man who kills somebody when life is sweetest to him.
Hi! Namo! Odogun Namo! Nami bu Odogun. I'm a people email. There is no problem. Let me rush and get you something to eat.
Pico.
Ah, Namo!
Justice,
Odogun wake.
Justice.
You're looking beautiful by the day.
All thanks to my lovely husband.
Where is Ola?
You have a good heart.
How do you mean?
After everything Ola made you go through, you still associate with her without hating her. You will be your mouth. Yeah.
If I hate or revenge, what is now the difference between both of us?
It is obvious she's not coming. Kaiga,
Let's wait for her a little.
Huh?
Can I chat to her one better? Oh, I'm sure she will come. Let's give her a little time. Hiya, Bill. Let's wait a little.
You need to be very, very careful. Exactly. You're a very good judge of yours. Thank you so very much for helping me to clear my family. I'm grateful.
Dada, you don't need to thank me. I've been looking for a way to say thank you ever since you thwarted the plans of my uncle and the guard from eliminating me in the prison. So it's just a way of saying thank you.
My brother, it is nothing. At least it's the list of anything I could have done to save your life.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome. You're welcome. See, your wife is a very good woman.
You're lucky too.
You have a good wife. Yes. So, we are two lucky friends. May the gods of the land be praised. He say.
What about you?
I am telling you so much.
You're welcome. No. Hey! Oh, I don't like this kind of thing. Why would you go to the stream and fetch water now? In your condition? You should have waited until I come back.
They won't listen. Obin,
you and Indidi should stop stressing yourselves. Because...
But don't you know that little stress will help us during childbirth?
Not this one. Not going to the stream to fetch water.
Okay, our husbands. Obim, you came back so early.
Thanks to Uzoma. Before I got there, he did all the magic in our family.
Thank you, Uzo.
Don't thank me.
Thank you.
Don't thank me. This is your handsome husband. If I tell you what he did for me, I can't forget it in a hurry.
Obim, my lolo. Easy.
One, easy. 1, 2, 1, 2. My lolo.
My friend,
Easy.
I like the way you take care of your wife. Just like I do.
She's everything to me. I'm going to become a father.
Okay.
Easy.
When she was insulting you, she didn't know. See the way you're taking good care of her now.
Look at you.
No, my husband is very caring.
Now you know he's caring.
Look at this one.
You're happy.
Thank you so much.
I never really whatever. What did you see? Yeah, man, come and roll. You injure me, or what is it now? Is it my fault?
Yeah.
What are we selling me alone, no?
Yeah, you're a bad luck. You're a bad luck.
What's going on now?
She's a bad luck.
What?
Osama, your uncle has gone blind.
What?
He was trying to plant charms to your late father's land.
Hey!
Hey!
Where is he?
He's still lying at your farm.
You don't mean it.
Hey!
What did you say
Your
happened?
father has gone blind.
Blind?
Yes!
Blind?
Yes!
Hey,
come
come
on!
on! Please be very careful.
I am coming on.
I don't know why I fall in love with you.
Obi, please be very careful, oh!
Very tried though. I tried very well. I don't know how I fall in love with her.
Me, I told you, Ola will never change. Okay, let's go.
Hey, stop posting for free. Your videos are worth millions. That's right. Every view, every like, every share on your videos should pay you. At Forever MCN, Africa's #1 YouTube partner, we turn your creativity into cash flow. From YouTube to TikTok to Facebook, we handle the stress while you watch your money grow. Creators working with us are already cashing out, some earning millions just by doing what they love. With channel monetization, brand deals, translation into different languages, and video protection from illegal use, we make sure you win. Don't just create for fun. Let your creation earn you lots of money. Join our Forever MCN today. Start by sending an email to marketing@forever.com or call +234 816 992 5722. You can also visit our website mbi247.com. Our Forever MCN, your home of content creators.
Our tradition. We must follow. It's our tradition. Omena nani anyi. We are supposed to love each other, be there for one another.